Gusto mo ba ng special na merienda for your kids? Tapos yung may impress talaga sila. Pero gusto mo madali lang. Eto na cheesy macaroni recipe. Napakasarap. Let's begin. On a non-stick pan, saute mo yung beef and butter. Then the hot dog and onion and garlic. Season with salt and pepper. Let it simmer for a bit, then add pork cube. Tapos spaghetti sauce. Ginamit ko na dito yung may timpla para mabilis. Haluin, let it simmer. Another pampasarap, condensed milk. Let it simmer, tapos yun na yun. For the white sauce, butter and flour. Tapos lagyan mo lang ng milk unti-unti. Magpa-paste yan, huwag ka matakot. Basta haluin mo and then get your cheeses, ilagay mo na. Pag okay na yung consistency sa'yo, okay na yun. Tapos assemble mo na. For presentation, layer mo. Nahin mo yung pasa, then yung red sauce. Tapos on top is the white sauce. Medyo runny siya. And then garlic with dried parsley. And then serve to your kids.
Kuyo. Ate, mag-ubos na lang kayo.
Mag-enjoy sila. Gawin niyo na. See you!